Yes. Yesterday we have completed up to question number 4. Look at question number 5 from exercise 6. The question is 3p to the power minus 2 q divided by 2pq q to the power minus 2. They have asked you simplify the following and express with positive integers. So the answer should be positive. So it will be 3 by 2 p to the power it was minus 2 and here 3. So in division we can subtract the index. Then q to the power 3 minus 2. This we have learned. The numbers are divided. If the bases are same, we are subtracting the index in division. If the bases are same, again we are subtracting the index. So we are getting 3 by 2 p to the power minus 5 and q to the power 5. Or I can write 3q to the power 5 by 2p to the power 5. Because I have asked you to write answer in positive integers. So now it is positive integer. We have got the answer in positive integer. 5b you have to do. Look at question number 6a. Question number 6a. Question says 1 minus 15 by 64 to the power minus 1 by 2. So first of all we'll solve the bracket. It gives you 64 minus 15 by 64 to the power minus 1 by 2, or this is 49 by 64 to the power minus 1 by 2, or may I write it as 7 by 8 2 minus 1 by 2. Now 2 is cancelled, so the answer is 8 by 7 or 1 whole 1 by 7. This is question number 6a. Look at question number 6d. The question says 27 to the power 2 by 3 into 8 to the power minus 1 by 6 divided by 18 to the power minus 1 by 2. Is it? As I have told you, we have to break the numbers in prime factor. So this 27 could be written as 3 cube into 2 by 3 into 2 cube into minus 1 by 6 divided by, this can be written 2 3s are 6 3s are 18 to the power minus 1 by 2. Now this gives you 3 cancel. I'm left with 3 square into 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 into 3 square into minus 1 by 2. So this is cancelled. Is it? Now 3 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 1. So I will be writing in this way. 3 to the power 2 minus 1 and 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, or it gives you 3 to the power 3 or 2 plus 1 and 2 to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, or it is 3 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 0. This is cancelled, or this is 27 into 1, or the answer is 27. This is question number 6d. Look at question number 6F. The question is under root 1 by 4 plus 0.01 to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 27 to the power 2 by 3. Is it? Now what we are going to do? May I write it square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 and 0.01 is 1 by 100 to the power minus 1 by 2 and 27 is 3 cube to the power 2 by 3. Now once again 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10 whole square into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Now this is cancelled. This is cancelled. So I am left with 1 by 2 plus 10 to the power minus 1 minus 3 to the power 2. Or it gives you 1 by 2. Sorry, this is 1 by 10 to the power minus 1 plus 10 minus 9. Now when we will solve this, LCM is 2, 1 plus 20 minus 18 or 3 by 2, 1 whole 1 by 2. The answer would be 1 whole 1 by 2. Look at question number 7A. Question is 27x to the power 9 to the power 2 by 3. Now this 27 may I write at 3 cubes and they have given x to the power 9. So x cube whole cube could be written as x to the power 9. We are getting 3 cube is 27, x cube whole cube is x to the power 9. On the top 2 by 3 or I am getting 3x cube 3 into 2 by 3 or this is cancelled. So 3x cube whole square or answer is 9x to the power 6. This is question number 7A. Now we'll move that side. We'll see question number 7C. It is 64 a to the power 12 divided by 27 b to the power 6 whole minus 2 by 3. Now I have to break it as a denominator 3. So 4 cube gives you 64 and a to the power 4 if we do it, it will be a to the power 12. Now 3 cubes gives you 27 and b square whole cube will be giving you 27 b to the power 6 minus 2 by 3 or it is 4a to the power 4 by 3b to square whole cube into minus 2 by 3 or 3 is cancelled. So we are left with 4a to the 3b square to the power minus 2, or it gives you 3b square by 4a to the power 4 to the power 2. It gives you 9b to the power 4, 16, a to the power 8. Please write it. Then we'll see question number F for 7. Hope it is seen. The question is, cube root x to the power 4 y square divided by 6 x to the power 5 y to the power minus 5, or I'll be writing it x to the power 4 y to the power 2 1 by 3 divided by x to the power 5 y to the power 5 to the power 1 by 6. You have learned this is the law number 8, or it gives you x to the power 4 into 1 by 3, 4 by 3, y into 1 by 2 by 3 divided by x to the power 5 by 6 and y to the power minus 5 by 6. Now, if the bases are same, what we do in the index? In division, we subtract the index. So, 4 by 3 minus 5 by 6 and y to the power 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Now, we will be solving it. X to the power LCM is 6, 8 minus 5 and y to the power LCM is 6, 4 plus 5. 3 2s are 6, so 2 2s are 4, minus plus 5, or it gives you x to the power 3 by 6 and y to the power 9 by 6. So this is 1 by 2, 3 by 2. We are getting x 1 by 2, y 3 by 2, or it can be written under root x y cube. This is question number 7F. Please write it. Next, look at question number I. The question is 81 to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5 plus 8 to the power 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 and into 2 to the power 0. Now we will be solving it. This can be written 3 to the power 4 to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 to the power 5 whole minus 2 by 5 plus 2 cube whole 1 by 3 into 2 to the 1 by 2 to the power minus 1, so 2 to the power 1 into 1. May I write this? Or it gives you this 4 cancel, this 5 cancel, this 3 cancel. So I am left with 3 cube minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 2 into 2 into 1, or it gives you 27 minus 2 square plus 4 or 27 minus 4 plus 4, our answer is 27. So in this case, up to question number 7 you have to finish. Next day will be solving question number 8, 9 and all. Till then you keep practicing, and if there is doubt you can ask me in comment box. Thank you dears.